launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Good job. Yeah, we go get them after everybody.
That's high. That's high. Mine really was. Go get it, Andrew. Go get it.
No, you're not. Go get it until you're done, everybody. Just remember where your rocket lands. We'll grab it once everyone else is gone.
Look at mine. It's doing
Not bad. They could probably do smaller too.
Yep. All right, this is number 3.
All right, Matthew.
All right, the power's on. Everything's ready.
Okay, Gabe, you gotta step back over here, bud. You gotta stay back here with me.
We're going to launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Smoke. Good try.
No, there it goes.
That's good.
Hey, you watching it, Gabe?
flowers for Mommy.
We do. Good. Good job. You can take that back. Don't stick it in my face, though. I'm trying to make sure I get Matthew's.
It's actually a good thing, though. It's falling nice and close out. Come on, no problem.
All right, number 4.
Okay, number 4.